Say hi, Sarah. Say hi. She's telling you it's hot. Tell Daddy it's hot. Say don't touch it, it's hot.
Come on, get away.
Step back, Sarah. Get back, please. It's too hot. Sarah, show me your house. Oh, is that your new house? Oh, wow. Can you ring the doorbell? Ring the doorbell. Oh, very nice. Very nice.
So much better than the other ones.
Yeah.
Are you doing video or are you doing...
Yeah. You want to eat? How old are you? Huh? Where'd you go? Come over here, little lady.
Sarah.